Every day we learn one PCB fun fact. Today, we're diving into SMT mounting. SMT mounting is the core process of surface mount technology and a key link in electronic manufacturing. Before mounting, the PCB has undergone solder paste printing. Then, high-precision placement machines use vision positioning systems to accurately pick up various surface mount devices such as resistors, capacitors, and VGA chips, and quickly place them on the preset pads of the PCB to achieve initial fixation of components and the circuit board. With a placement accuracy of up to plus or minus 0.025 millimeters, this process features high speed and automation, suitable for mass production of miniaturized and high-density PCBs. It also directly determines the soldering yield of subsequent reflow soldering, effectively avoiding issues like cold solder joints and misalignment. Today, the SMT mounting process has become a core link in PCBA manufacturing, widely applied in the production of our PCBA products for smartphones, automotive electronics, smart wearables, and other fields. It is a key support for ensuring the high-precision assembly and high-reliability quality of PCBA, as well as helping downstream products achieve miniaturization and high integration.